Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Blood, Sweat, and Tears. Well, I'm on my way to pick up something that me and the wife really needed, and yeah, we're really excited about it. It's about an hour and 20 minutes from our house, so I'm almost there. So I'll tell you what, I'll check back with you here in a minute. I gotta stop and get some fuel, and I'll check back with you. Thanks. Let's see here, cancel. So yeah, while I'm getting gas here, I'll give you a little clue. The wife took on a travel job, and this is something that is going to help in that area. So we're looking forward to getting this, and I'll check back with you here in a minute. Alrighty. Okay, this is where we're going. Specialty Family Dealership RV Parts Center. Hey, so we got her all hooked up, and this is what we bought. Let me turn the camera around here for you real quick. There it is. It's a 2021 Salem rear kitchen, which is RT, 27 foot. And now we're getting ready to make the trip home. We got all the suspension hitch all hooked up, and we're ready to rock and roll. So I'll check back with you here in a minute when I get back to the house, and we'll do a little bit of a walk around. All right, just made it back to the house. Everything went good. And here it is. Like I said, this is going to be for my wife to stay while she's away. Instead of paying hotel fees, we're going to stay in this 27 RK. RK stands for rear kitchen. And here's the setup here on the hitch. We got the distribution hitch already hooked up on there. We just got back from picking it up. It took about an hour and a half to get back. And they did a walk around and all that, and looks like that shade went up. This is a real quick look. I'll probably do a more in-depth video on it coming up here. Forest River by Salem. Forest River by Salem. Yeah. Here it is here. We've got the outdoor mini kitchen. It's a mini fridge and a flat grill there. Electric awning. Front bedroom up front. Yeah. So, appreciate you riding along with me to pick this thing up. This is just a real short, quick video. I'll do a more in-depth video on this this camper here real soon. But in the meantime, hey, thanks for hanging out with me and picking it up with me, or if you stuck around. And we'll catch you on the next one. Thanks. Bye.